Like that. I'm going to show you how to make an origami fortune teller. I'm a good origami boy.
He's been doing origami for 5 years.
And this is a fortune teller.
Cool. Show
Don't
me.
you like this?
Yeah. So
This is
that's how you
Corn
make
dog.
origami fortune teller?
And I made a corn dog.
Wow. Say bye, kids.
Bye.
Bye.